Hi guys, Silent Arrow 676 here, and I just wanted to show off real quick what I got in the mail today. This is my Colonial Spice Jar Kit. And I will point out right now that some of the spices are actually modern. The two on the left are modern spices. These three are colonial spices. You got fresh salt, pepper, I probably shouldn't have thrown the box away. I don't remember what that one is. God damn it, what was the third one? I can't remember. But anyway, this one it's either curry powder or chili powder, I think. I'm gonna have to dig the box out. When I dig the box out, I'll just put the list of things down below. And this one is a combination of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion, I believe. It's kind of a miracle all in one. I just wanted to put that out there. I haven't used these yet. So, yeah, if you guys can think of anything for me to use them on, I'll gladly make a video on it. As always, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill.